napkins in here. That's bound to happen. Whoops. Another drift day done. Hey, look at that savage man. Donuts. That guy giving him the that's awesome. Ooh, sweet Sylvia right there. Gotta love that. Alright, we'll watch this S13 do some donies and then we're gonna head out. So we had a good day. Tires are done. Time to head out. God, look at that thing. So fucking sick. Yeah, fun day. Did my first ride along. Had somebody chase me for the first time, so that was pretty cool. Oh, look at that fucking chaser right there. That's sick. Anyways, lots of cool cars out today because it was so nice. Great day. Burned a whole set of tires here. Gonna have to get some new ones put on for next time. Gotta pay to play. Shit is too much fun. So, anyway, till next time, we're heading home. All right, what's happening? What's up, Chapo? My dog Chop, he's very excited that I'm home. He was stuck in the house with all the ladies while I was gone. We're back from the drift track. Day number 7. Had a pretty good day. Didn't break anything. Car did well. It was a nice dry sunny day, so we got lots of nice dry laps in, which is a change. The last couple times it's been wet, so I mean, it's fun, but sliding that bank in third in the dry is different than in the wet. I don't know if I got any video of that though. Did my first ride along today. Thanks Jonah for coming and jumping in with me. Got to hit the bank in third and really just send it. Only spun out once, so that was pretty sweet. Tried to take more video, just like everything going around, like the other cars and stuff, because I guess the dash cam kind of view of me drifting is going to get a little boring. So we'll switch it up a little bit, get some videos from all the other sweet cars that are out there. Good talking with a few more people, getting to know some more people around the track. I think the green headlights were a good idea. People seem to notice them and kind of recognize me. It's nice going to tech. The guy knows, recognizes the car. Like, yeah, you're pretty good. Feel like I drove pretty well. Only spun out once, like I said, and had a good time today. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, y'all?